Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will guide you and configure how to create super admin accounts and how to set access profile. It means how to can we set read write which is required to give access or not. You can configure as per your company profile, as per your company standards, as per your employee standard. So today I will configure you how to create 14 get firewall super admin accounts with limited access or maximum access as per your request, as per your demand. I will guide you and you can do as it your own. So let's start. First we need to sign in on our 14 get firewalls. You can see I have a login with my firewalls. After that, once you log in, you need to go to the systems. After under the system, you can see here are button for administrators. Once you click on administrator, you can see default I am login with this account. This is highlighted, and here we can create account. Here we can create a new account, new login accounts, and you can see admin access profile as here. Here are two different profile: pro admin, proof admin, and super admin. Super admin, it means full read and write access. So we will create a profile. After that we will create users. So first we need to create a profile. So you can create your own level profile, like in your organization. If you working 2 employee, you don't want to give full access, so you can create as per your requirement. So I am click on Q new profile. After that, super admin, admin, you can do as per, and after that you can select which is required to give access to your colleague. So on my case, security fabric I have give read write, and front view read writes, for user device read write, firewalls I have give only read, and log support only read, and network only read, system only read, and profile only read, VPN only read, WAN cache full access, switch and routing full access. You can do as per your standard, as per your colleague, what level of knowledge he have on 14 get. Slowly you can grow up to give more access, but on the first level you can give write access, read only, then write, then increase limitations. So I have create like super admin, but I have give minimum access, but as per your case you can give all rights. So permit user CLI command, yes, enable, then click on OK. You can see I have created super admin, and I need to edit because new here we can give nxg tech permission. Okay, because I am doing like that, so you can do as per company understand. So after that we have created this one. You can modify if you need, you can modify, there is no any issue. Once you done, then you need to create users. Go to administrator sections, you can create new users. Here you need to select administrator, then after give the username. So don't give admin because already admin is taken, so we need to give nxg, and here click local. After that create complex password. So I am doing the password creating. You can give comments, and here you can select profile. You can see I have created super admin on the last admin section. So you can see super admin profile. We will select super admin profile, and to be authenticator, this will I will cover on my upcoming next video. and the password entire does not match. Oh my god, we need to check why password not match. Okay, wow, now match. And I will guide you how to create authenticator, two-way authentication on the my upcoming video. After once you created this, then you can click on OK, and you can see I have created NXG accounts, and right now I am logging with admin. So now I am going to sign out, and I will type NXG, then type password. You can see you can later on, don't begin, later on you can see I have successfully logged in with my NXG account, and you can verify it. You need to go to system administrator, and the administrator sections you can see the current active user NXG, and this NXG users having super admin profile. If you double tap on this, then you can see, and if you want to check more, then you can go here admin profile, and you can see here is super admin profile, which is NXG touch permissions. Because of this user not showing more information, because of this user not have full rights, because here is admin user as well. So I just verify you. I need to sign out these users and re-login with admin account. I will show you step by step. Now I am going to change his permissions. You can do anything, anyone can not change anything, but okay, as a systems, after the system administrator, then you can see once I log in with the admin super admin account, you can see I am getting both accounts. So we need to go to profile, then super admin profile, edit, and select here you can read write all. Once you click on read write all, then click on OK, and now again I am going to sign out with this account, and I am going to log in NXG. Now you can just see system administrator, and you can see click on plus. You can see I am logging with this account. Okay, now you can see I have displaying proof admin as well. So this is a methods you can modify as as per your company, as per your IT team requirement to create multiple account. But it is required to create multiple account because of we need to manage our company security. Because if we give rights to anyone who don't minimum knowledge of about 14 gate, then your company maybe work on risk, because if he made something changes, then entire system will be stopped. So please give rights as per your company policy. So don't give maximum rights on new users, then you will face a lot of problem. So you can if it is required, then you can give read only on Wi-Fi WAN, then read only on VPN, security profile, system, network, and firewall rule, users and devices. These you can give like this. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel video. If you need anything help regarding this, please email me, text me. Definitely I will help you. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.